Cooking with Marcus. I'm so excited you guys stopped by to check me out today. We are going to make a black-eyed pea with rice topped with bacon side dish. I want you to come by and let's see what ingredients we're going to use today. We've got our freshly cooked and chopped bacon. We've got onions, we've got cilantro, we've got our green peppers and our celery. We've got some bay leaves from Winco. We've got some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper with some black-eyed peas, minute rice, and some chicken broth. Those are the ingredients we're going to use today. Come on in and let's get to. All right, I left a little bacon grease in the pan from frying the bacon. I added a little olive oil. We're going to put our onions right off in here with our green peppers. And our celery. We're going to let those get good to saute and soften up. Alright, we're going to stir this around and make sure our vegetables are softened pretty good. And then we're going to add our bacon. Get all those flavors into these vegetables. Then we're going to add our rice, and you want to use about a cup of rice, okay? And no, we don't want to put it in water first. We want to get it good and sauteed with all of the good oil and bacon grease, onion and bell pepper and celery. And we want that rice to saute a little bit, okay? Alright, our rice is toasting up nicely. You don't want it to toast too long. You just want to saute it just a bit, okay? So now we're going to add in our black-eyed peas, frozen black-eyed peas. We're going to stir those in. Okay. Alright, let's add our seasoning. We're going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, and some seasoning salt. Don't forget, we got bacon in here, so we don't need much, okay? We're going to stir that all up. Alright, and last but not least, we're going to add our chicken broth. And you want to add about 3/4 of the way. Okay? And then we're going to get our top here. Oh, wait a minute. Got to put our bay leaves in there. We want to add about 2 bay leaves, fresh bay leaves. Okay? And we're going to put our top on here. No, this is not the top to this pan, but it's the top that's going to work today, okay? We're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes and we'll come back and check on it, alright? Alrighty. And we are done, guys, and look how that came out. That looks just delicious. Alright, guys, we're going to get us a bowl here and taste this. Right hot off the stove. Let's get us a spoon. Hold on a second. All right, let's give this a good taste here. It's still hot out the pan. You guys, very good stuff. Very good stuff. Great side dish. Black-eyed peas, bacon, and rice. Don't forget to like, share, comment. I really thank you guys for watching today. Please come back and visit us real soon. Cooking with Marcus. See you next time.